President Donald Trump signed an executive order on Thursday to finalize a deal between the US and TikTok's Chinese leadership, setting up a path for the social media app to be owned by a trio or more of wealthy American investors and all major Trump supporters. At the signing of the order in the Oval Office, Vice President J.D. Vance said American TikTok users could use the app, quote, with more confidence than they had in the past because their data is going to be secure, end quote, referring to the national security concerns about TikTok's Chinese ownership. As part of the agreement, Americans will occupy 6 of the 7 board positions for TikTok's U.S. entity, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt confirmed. Oracle, the cloud computing company led by billionaire Larry Ellison, will be responsible for TikTok's data and privacy, storing data in its U.S. facilities to prevent access from China, Leavitt stated. President Joe Biden signed a ban on TikTok in the U.S. into law last year, following years of bipartisan scrutiny over the app amid data privacy concerns and alleged links to the Chinese government. TikTok has denied any wrongdoing in having any links to the Chinese government. The Supreme Court upheld the ban in January, upholding the federal government's national security concerns. As part of a ban approved by Congress in April 2024, ByteDance, TikTok's China-based owners, are required to divest from the social media app or face a ban in the US, though Trump has extended a deadline for ByteDance to do so multiple times. Oracle, Silver Lake, and Abu Dhabi investment firm MGX are expected to be the 3 main shareholders with a roughly 45% stake, CNBC reported. ByteDance will hold roughly 20% of shares. Trump said billionaire media mogul Rupert Murdoch and Dell's CEO Michael Dell are part of the investor team involved in the deal. Last week, President Trump expressed gratitude to Chinese President Xi Jinping for the TikTok approval, suggesting progress on, quote, many very important issues, end quote, during a recent phone call. However, a follow-up statement from China's foreign ministry regarding the call did not explicitly confirm Xi's approval of the deal. Leavitt said the Trump administration is, quote, 100% confident, end quote, China will give final approval. Vice President J.D. Vance said the deal values the company at $14 billion. Further details on the deal's investors and terms are still unclear, though Vance said more information on it will be released, quote, in the coming days. For more information on the story, check out the article at the link in the description.